everyone, myself Hirani Dhairya, he is Shorya Agrawal, he is Jaineel Sapariya. We are from class 7th and today we are represent a useful project named Smart Zebra Crossing and Smart Speed Breaker. Our school name is Shri H.J. Gajera English Medium Primary School. Without wasting any time, let's start.
So I take this project material. I added Omega 1480 two ultrasonic sensor, one servo motor, and some jumper one.
We know that when any person cross the road, that time any vehicle are in overspeed, so the accident is occur. So we made this project to maintain the accident, and our main purpose behind this project is to prevent accident.
I tell you the work of this project in future. In case of people of future life, there were many people that are in very hurry. So no one see their safety, they all see their work. So to maintain the safety of vehicles and drivers, we made this automatic speed breaker and smart zebra crossing that measure the speed of vehicle, and the speed breaker automatic gets up, so the driver know that he has to slow the vehicle speed and the accident get less and less.
So we are close our explanation here of our project. Thank you.